Have you dreamed of making your own video game character but not sure where to start? Well, in this course, we teach you the full character creation process using Blender, a free and super powerful piece of software.
So we'll be making 3D characters, going through the whole character creation process, taking in reference images, designing your character, blocking out the character. Then we'll go into sculpting. You won't need to have a graphics tablet. We'll be doing it all with a mouse. We'll be unwrapping, texturing our character and painting them, rigging them, so adding bones and making them move around with animations, and then putting it all into our game.
And this is a course suitable whether you're a beginner or advanced. We take you right from the early stages the whole way through, and Grant has a whole bunch of pro tips he's going to give you based upon his experience. So who are we? I'm Rick Davidson. I've been teaching game development and game art for more than 10 years, taught hundreds of thousands of students the magic of bringing their ideas to life. And I'm teamed up with my buddy.
Well, I'm Grant, and I picked up Blender around 20 years ago, and I've been teaching it for a long time now. I've now got a YouTube channel with over 150,000 subscribers, and that talks about the techniques and intricacies of the program.
Awesome, we're really lucky to have Grant with us here at Game Dev TV, and I think this course is going to be super special. Blender is such an amazing piece of software. They've added more and more features. It's changing all the time, getting better and better. Now's a great time for you to be creating a video game character. So I hope you join us in the course, and let's jump in and get started.